Hey, we are expecting rain, so I wanted to come outside so you could catch a glimpse of that beautiful plant behind me. Just look at it. The only downside is I'm not wearing yellow today, but listen, I wanted to talk a bit more about the spiritual disciplines of disengagement and, in particular, solitude. And I wanted to come back at that because I've realized in recent times there is this conflation of disengagement and solitude as it relates to a spiritual practice and the idea of self-care and taking care of me. And as important as that is, listen to me. When I talk about the spiritual disciplines of disengagement and when I talk about solitude, I'm not talking about me time. I'm talking about something much more meaningful than that. Welcome to In the Word, a devotional segment to get you started on your day. And I'm your host, Dr. Kathy Ann Hernandez, also known as Dr. H from Value What Matters. And now, the Word. When it comes to practicing solitude as a discipline, it's not about, I am so tired, I need to rest, I need to self-care. That is certainly important, but what it is a spiritual discipline where we intentionally and consciously pull away from the things in our lives and we devote that time to be fully present in our relationship with God. It's an opportunity to go all in with your commitment to God, to say, God, I am here and this is our time together. So these moments of solitude, of drawing away for the specific purpose of offering a generous commitment of time to a relationship with God is critical to the quality of our spiritual health and our connection to God. And it's so instructive to me that we see, for instance, in Mark 1:35, in the morning, long before sunrise, Jesus went to a place where he could be alone to pray. Listen, I know that I can't do life without God. As a Christian, as a follower, I need that connection. And I want to offer strategies that I employ in my quest to really invest in these moments, in this discipline of solitude. Choose a quiet time. For me, that is in the stillness of the morning before my kids are up, before the noises and the machines start coming on, and the sun is coming up. I can sit in the quietness and listen. Make it a consistent time so it becomes part of your discipline, of your practice, that at 5 a.m., at 6 a.m., whatever the time is, that you have an appointment to meet with God, and He will be waiting to meet you there. A special place. Set aside a special place. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. My special place is an old futon that we've had for years. But when I sit in that place, that is where I know I am going to meet with God. 4. Cultivate a quieting ritual that allows you to quiet your mind before the stresses of the day descend on you. For me, it's making a cup of tea, listening to some meditative music, reading the Word, and sometimes journaling the impressions that God has laid upon my heart. Develop a simple practice for your moments of solitude. Keep it simple. Sometimes all I repeat is one line from my favorite psalm, "The Lord is my shepherd, I have everything I need." And then I meditate on those words. And then wait and listen in silence. After you've spoken and you've poured your heart out to God, sit in the stillness and sense that sweet Spirit impressing you, directing you, giving you guidance for the day. If you bring your heart in tune with God, He will speak to you through the power of His Holy Spirit, and you will find yourself growing in intimacy with that divine presence in your life. So I want to encourage you. Make time, carve out time special time to be alone with God, because that's where the action is. Trust me on that. Have a great day. Have a great week. Don't get distracted. Remember to value what matters. Take care. Bye.